Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on equations. This is extension work. In the previous video we saw how to create a number sentence using symbols. In this video we will use letters of the alphabet instead of symbols. We are now using equations instead of number sentences. So when we use letters of the alphabet to help us find the unknown number, we are working with equations. Example 1. I think of a number and add 6 to it. The result is 11. What was the original number? Let the original number equals m. We can now form the following equation. m plus 6 equals 11. Therefore m is 11 minus 6, so m equals 5. Example 2. 12 is subtracted from a number and the result is 20. What was the original number? Let the original number equal p. We can now form the following equation. P minus 12 equals 20. Therefore p equals 20 plus 12, so p equals 32. Example 3. The difference between a number and 3 is 15. Find the number. Let the number be y. We can now write the following number sentence. Y minus 3 equals 15. Y equals 15 plus 3. Therefore y equals 18. Example 4. I think of a number and multiply it by 8. I then add 3 to this answer to get 59. What was the original number? Let the number be w. We can now write the following number sentence. 8 times w plus 3 equals 59. 8 times w equals 59 minus 3. 8 times w equals 56. So w equals 7 because 8 sevens are 56. So in this video we've introduced the idea of equations instead of number sentences. And that's when we use letters to represent the unknown quantity.